ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు, ఆదిశేషగిరి గారు, మోహన్ గారు, మిగతా పెద్దలు, ఈ డైస్ మీద ఉన్నటువంటి పెద్దలు అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండ్ వెల్కమ్ యూ ఆల్. అండ్ యాజ్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ టెన్నిస్ అసోసియేషన్ and also as the tournament director for the men's and women 5 lakh tournament held here, it's my privilege to briefly tell you about this tournament. Now for the men's and women, altogether 162 matches were played during these 2 weeks and all facilities were provided by the Philip Nagar Club. I really congratulate the Philip Nagar Club and the managing committee especially for encouraging this particular tournament and thinking about it, planning, providing all facilities to players and the officials who have come here for the tournament. And I am sure most of the tennis players who have played here, they take back wonderful memories with them. I am sure about that. In fact, many players have interacted and shared their thoughts or their opinions about this particular tournament. Now, apart from congratulating the managing committee of this Philip Nagar Club, I also heartily congratulate the sponsors, Suven Life Sciences, HES Infra and Health to us, and the legend who are into a reputed company who are developers and builders, and Mr. Nageshwara himself is a good tennis player. It's very heartening that he is associated with this tournament. And another significant thing is that this is the highest prize money tournament in India post-COVID, 5 lakh tournament. So far, the maximum prize money was only 2.5 for men or women. So this, I think, a big round of applause for the Philip Nagar Club for coming forward and also for the sponsors who have made this possible. Now, these officials who have, I also, Mr. Surajit is the chief referee for this tournament. All throughout, the men's as well as the women's, seamlessly he has planned all the matches, and there wasn't any delay or undue waiting for the players. And I am told that the players also enjoyed playing the matches and the scheduling was wonderfully done. And there are 6 chair umpires who have come, 2 from Chennai, 1 from Vizag, and another from, I'm sorry, I forgot about the 4th one. And the 2 chair umpires are from Hyderabad. So they have done a wonderful job. Surajit Singh and his umpires, the team has done a wonderful job. Now the ball boys have done an excellent job in this hot season. Throughout they have been working very hard, and I am sure that they have, at many places what I noticed was the ball boys, sometimes they are the cause of disturbance to the players. But here the ball boys are very well trained and did an excellent job in maintaining the courts, responded also. So it is a wonderful gesture from you, Chamundi, and I am sure you all know about Chamundeshwari Nath.
Sri Venkat Reddy Garu to please come onto the stage to give away the prize along with Sri K.S. Ramara Garu in the presence of the chief guest. Venkat Reddy Garu, please. These 2 lovely sisters have come all the way from Bihar. They came runners, but they won everyone's hearts out here. FNCC congratulates them and wishes them all the best for their tennis career. Wish you a happy flight. Thank you. Gift hamper from Bela, thanks to the promoters of Bela who gave us the gift hampers.
Okay, namaskaram. First, Srinivas Reddy Garu, Commissioner of Police అయిన తర్వాత మన క్లబ్కు రావటం, చీఫ్ గెస్ట్గా అంగీకరించడం, ఇక్కడికి రావడానికి వాటి టైం స్పేర్ చేసి ప్రత్యేకంగా వారికి అభినందనలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. అలానే వెల్ నోన్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్ ప్లేయర్ సాత్విక్, వరల్డ్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్ ప్లేయర్, ఇవాళ ర్యాంక్ నెంబర్ 1లో ఉన్నారు. ఈ ప్రాంతం నుంచి ఆ స్టేజ్కి రావడానికి ఎంత కృషి చేశారో వారి అకాడమీకి కానీ వారికి కానీ ప్రత్యేకంగా అభినందనలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. Both of them, I am requesting them to become honorary members of this club. I hope they will accept it. తర్వాత మా వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ రంగారావు గారు, ఫార్మర్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ కెఎస్ రామారావు గారు, ముళ్ళపూడి మోహన్ గారు సెక్రటరీ, పెద్దిరాజు గారు, అలానే రాజశేఖర్ రెడ్డి ట్రెజరరు, స్పోర్ట్స్ కమిటీ కన్వీనర్, అలానే స్పోర్ట్స్ కమిటీ చైర్మన్గా చామండి. He has done doing a marvelous job from last 10 days, either men's tournament or women's tournament. He has spared a lot of time, lot of interest in conducting this national tournament. I especially thank him on behalf of the committee to spare his time and to take the interest to make the event grand success. Alane, from last many years, Culture Center FNCC is conducting many programs, particularly from last 2 years, 3 years. Many sports events, many cultural events. All the members are participating. Apart from that, many national recognized players are patronizing this culture center. From this culture center only, Sania Mirza or PV Sindhu, all the players have started from here, from last 15 years. I especially thank them and many sports personalities who have given them honorary membership in this club to encourage sports and culture. I thank all the members for their cooperation and particularly our management committee members and staff to make it a grand success. They are working day and night to look after the players and their all the necessities, whatever they want, either food or accommodation or everything they are looking after. And in this occasion, I thank the sponsors, Venkat Garu and others, who are patronizing this club from many years. Without sponsors, we cannot conduct this type of events, even though we are contributing a lot. But to encourage them, we have to give better prizes. And from here afterwards, I request Chamandi to make this type of events every year, national tournaments, either tennis or shuttle. Like bridge we are conducting every year. Almost this year about 65 teams have come for bridge tournament from all over the world. Like that, tennis also every year to make it a national tournament from particular dates and to conduct. I thank the sports committee who is doing day and night, Madhu and others, their team. They have looked after every minute, all the facilities they have given to the players to make this tournament as grand success. Thank you very much.
JSC has played a very supportive role. Jubilee International Center Club has played a very major role.
I remember I was playing my first senior tournament in 2015. Back then, here in FNCC, I won my first mixed doubles tournament here. From then, my journey has started from here, winning here in FNCC. After 10 years, almost 10 years, I am here sitting opposite side here, and it's been a really amazing journey. Back then, FNCCలో ఎప్పుడు టోర్నమెంట్ జరిగినా కూడా వి నెవర్ యూస్ టు మిస్ ఇట్. లైక్ ఎక్కడున్నా వరల్డ్లో అండ్ ఇండియాలో ఎక్కడున్నా అందరూ వచ్చి ఆడుతూ ఉండేవారు. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ హాస్పిటాలిటీ కానీ ఫుడ్ కానీ స్టే కానీ చాలా మంచిగా చూసుకునేవారు. వరల్డ్లో ఇంటర్నేషనల్లో కూడా ఇంత మంచిగా పెట్టరు ఫుడ్ అలాగే ఇక్కడ పెట్టినంత. సో ఆ టైంలో ఎప్పుడు మిస్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళం కాదు 2015, 2016లో. దెన్ I hope they will conduct lot of tournaments and encourage all the people. And thank you Chamundi sir for giving me this opportunity. And it's my first tournament as in participation as a chief guest. And I hope my journey will start here as chief guest as well. And thank you FMCC for this opportunity. Thank you.
Nice to be here. It was a last minute call by my good friend Narayan Das Garu. I think you just came yesterday. Yesterday you came and invited, because I think perhaps my office is very close to FNCC. And then, no, you have that, you can take that liberty with me. No, absolutely no problem. So, and then, but I kept you waiting for some time. So I should apologize for that. But it was because of an official commitment. But I'm happy I could finally make it and be here with you for this very important sporting event, which is, I think, the truly international level tennis tournament, and with I think the highest reward amount given by any private association club, and graced by so many luminaries. So I'd like to read out all the names. Of course, the president, Sri Adisheshikar Rao Garu. I think first time we are meeting. I might have seen you so many times on TV, along with great Krishna Garu. I was fan of Krishna, by the way. And Secretary Mullapudi Mohan Garu, and other committee members, Sports Committee Chairman Chamundeshwari Nath Garu. Of course, you are always bubbling, cheerful. You are lucky charm for many sports persons, including Sai Tejkiran. And so I think Sindhu, Saina, then even Sania. I don't know if you are also lucky charm for Sachin Tendulkar. Well, he became famous after meeting you, or you met him after he became famous, but we also see you a lot of times with Sachin Tendulkar. Very bubbling, I think very cheerful. I think you are real encouragement to these young boys. And of course, our young sports hero, who is the world #1 doubles badminton player. In the world #1 doubles badminton player, they won. He along with Chirag Shetty, he won the Olympic doubles the last time, right? Asian Games doubles, and it's no mean achievement. I think he appears so unassuming, simple, but I mean, going to that level, I think it takes really a lot of effort, and congratulations to you. I think your parents must be proud, your guru must be proud, all of us are proud of you. And I also call upon Sri President Raman Garu. You spoke very well about the entire tournament in a nutshell, and you seem to be really, I mean, you are the Telangana State Tennis Association President, and I never knew our Das Garu was secretary. When did you become secretary, Das? 6 months back. I knew you were a player, so now I think you are on the other side, non-playing. Yeah, okay. So Narayan Das Garu, of course, all the friends who are there. I cannot miss the names of, I think, Ramarao Garu. I mean, if I'm not mentioning the names, please never mind. And yes, I am very happy to be here and to give away these awards here. It will be a great encouragement to the young sporting personalities, and that should be my privilege. And of course, sir, you offered the honorary membership to him and me also. Of course, he can play, but if you offer me membership, don't force me to play anything. Because I am now beyond that age. But I can, I think, use your swimming pool. I came to know it is, I think, temperature controlled. Perhaps I would love using that. But thank you so much for the offer. And so let's enjoy this evening. I think without wasting much time, Murli, how are you? I just saw you. So I think let's get going with the prizes. Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful message. I will now request our sports committee chairperson, Sri Chamundeshwari Garu, to say a few words.
కమిషనర్ పోలీస్ శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి గారు, సాత్విక్, మీరు ఒలింపిక్ అనగానే నాకు భయం పట్టుకుందండి. ఎందుకంటే ఒలింపిక్ మెడల్ నెగ్గిన ప్రతి వాళ్ళకి BMW కార్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు సాత్విక్ కూడా రెడీగా ఉన్నాడు. ఆల్వేస్ ఈ కార్స్ ఎప్పుడు సార్ అంటే నేను చెప్పాను, ఓన్లీ ఒలింపిక్ మెడల్ విల్ గెట్ BMW కార్. So now, in front of everybody, I am offering you, win the medal in Olympics and collect your BMW car. It's my offer.
That's an unbeatable offer, sir. I'm sure Satvik is all up for it. I now request our Honorable former President and former Secretary Sri K. Ramarao Garu to say a few words.
సిపి గారికి ప్రత్యేకంగా నమస్కారాలు. మా ఫిల్మ్ నగర్ క్లబ్ ఎప్పుడు ఏ టోర్నమెంట్ చేసినా అంతే బాగా, ఇంతకన్నా బాగా రేపు చేయబోయే టోర్నమెంట్స్ కూడా ఇంకా గొప్పగా చేస్తానికి ఎప్పుడు ముందుంటుంది. కమిటీ ఎప్పుడు చాలా ప్రోత్సాహకరంగా ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తూ ఏది వద్దనకుండా చాముండి సునాది ఏది చెప్తే అది వెంటనే చేయటానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉంటారు. అలాగే ఇప్పటిదాకా అనేక మంది ప్లేయర్స్ ఇక్కడి నుంచి పెద్ద ప్లేయర్స్గా, నేషనల్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్లేయర్స్గా ఎమర్జ్ అయ్యారు. సో ఏ టోర్నమెంట్ అయినా, ఇదొకటే కాదు, ఏ టోర్నమెంట్ కూడా చాలా మంచి పేరు వచ్చింది ఈ ఎఫ్ఎన్సిసికి, అన్ని కమిటీలకి. ప్రత్యేకంగా ఇప్పుడున్న కమిటీ స్పోర్ట్స్ ప్రత్యేకమైన శ్రద్ధ తీసుకుంటున్నారు, చాలా బాగా అరేంజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, బాగుంది. ఇక ముందు కూడా ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది. ఈ కమిటీకి ప్రత్యేకంగా నేను అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. అలాగే ఈ కమిటీ ఇంత బాగా చేయడానికి ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసిన వర్కర్స్కి, మా స్టాఫ్కి, మేనేజ్మెంట్కి అందరికీ అభినందనలు తెలుపుతూ, ప్రత్యేకంగా సెక్రటరీ గారు చాలా శ్రద్ధ తీసుకుని మరీ చేస్తున్నారు. నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాను, ప్రతి టోర్నమెంట్ని ఆయన ముందుండి ఆయన దగ్గరుండి చేయటం చూశాను. సెక్రటరీ మోహన్ గారు చాలా బాగా ఎక్కువ కష్టపడుతున్నారు. నిజంగా చెప్పాలంటే ఇది టోర్నమెంట్ ఒకటే కాదు, క్లబ్ గురించి కూడా చాలా ఎక్కువ శ్రద్ధ తీసుకుని బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ మోహన్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ది కమిటీ అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ గివింగ్ ఫర్ మీ ఆపర్చునిటీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Mohan and Somarazu asked me to sponsor this and a prestigious event, and that to a national event for both men and women. I said, okay, it's the right thing for me to do it because we do so many other things, but we felt it is a right opportunity to encourage the people and, of course, take the club to the next level. And for giving me this opportunity, I thank the club and I congratulate all the winners and the participants and all the friends. Thank you.
This doubles and singles, and particularly I have seen several times this Satvik in TV. So now first I have to congratulate Chamundi Garu to offer a car when if he wins a medal in Olympics, and even I am pleasure to offer a 10 lakhs prize, a 10 lakhs money if he wins any medal in the Olympics. So from my company, I am not a sports person, but I am a sports lover. So I want to see him as a medal winner in Olympics. So that's it.
Satvik Garu to come forward along with Sri K. Raman Garu. I'll also request Raman Garu to please come forward. They played a very, very hard-fought match. The hot sun. Louder applause, please. I'll request Akanksha and Yubrani to say a few words.
It was a good week for me. I mean, I played really good matches. I would like to thank all the sponsors for a wonderful tournament. Like, it was held really well. FNCC for organizing such a big tournament. We rarely see 5 lakhs happening in India, so thank you so much for this opportunity. And it was a really good, well-organized tournament by the club. Thank you so much.
Yubrani, some words from you.
Good evening, everyone. As she said, that thank you for this to all the sponsors and everyone who has supported to make this tournament happen. And of course, I would like to thank my partner as well. She has to put up with me a lot this week because I was not ready. And yeah, thank you, everyone. And it was a wonderful place, and I really enjoyed this tournament. Thank you.
I request, we have a special gift hamper from Bela for both of you. I request Ritin to please hand over the gift hampers to both the winners. Couple of words.
It was a very well organized tournament. Thank you to all the sponsors. It's the first time such a big tournament is being conducted in Hyderabad. It was a very good opportunity, and thank you so much.
To please come forward and give away the prize. Satvik, please still come forward. So Akanksha, how do you feel coming all the way from Mumbai to with the tournament out here in Hyderabad?
Part of the week I wasn't very well. I was about to concede my first round, but somehow I played that match, and then the week went really well for me. I loved the weather and the courts really suited me, I think. So yeah, it was a very good tournament for me.
Thank you, Akanksha. Sir, Honorary Chief Guest Sri Kottakota Srinivas Reddy Garu, I request other dignitaries to be present. So this is a rolling trophy instituted in the memory of C. Buddharaj Garu by his son and grandson, away tournament to tournament. To your support to the years to come. I'll just request all the guests to be here for a minute while we read out the Chief Referee, Shri Sumit Bandopadhyay, who has a round of applause for him, please. Our Tournament Director and President TSTA, Shri K.R. Raman Garu, who have supported the tournament and at the JSC, Ramesh Garu and Ramakrishna Garu, who are also here today. We thank our sponsors, Subin Pharma, Shri Jasti Venkat Garu. I think we have Somu Garu here. Would I request you to stand up and a round of applause for Somraj Garu, please. Thank you everyone for your patience.